Did you know nearly half of all new cars do not come with a spare tire? In fact, the list of new car models without a spare tire is growing in spite of unhappy car buyers. The problem is, without a spare, in almost every case, a failed tire means you're calling a tow truck. Think about that. A tow truck for a flat tire. Even with the so-called tire mobility kits that car makers provide as a substitute, most tire failures still require a tow. Now, let's add the possibility you have a car full of passengers, have a full day of appointments, or maybe you're in a remote area with poor phone service. In other words, the car makers have really left you in a bad spot. Since 2017, Modern Spare has offered compact, space-saving spare tire kits engineered for today's advanced vehicles, where the old donut spares of the past are not suitable. Your car may not come with a spare, but it still needs one, and so does your peace of mind. Click below or visit modernspare.com. Search by year, make, and model to get your model-specific engineered spare tire kit today.